guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janearl and I'm right back with another video tutorial for you guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to make this beautiful knotted headband. If you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. Please be kind enough to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. First of all, you're gonna get a fabric which measures 26 inches in length and 9 inches in width, and you take it to your sewing machine and sew it straight down. The materials you'll be needing are your headband, plastic headband, fabric of choice, and foam. So you, after sewing the material, you'd make sure that the seam is in the middle of your fabric, just like you see me do. Then you take your foam. The width of your foam can be of your own choice, like your desired width. If you think this width I'm using is too big for you, you can actually reduce the width of the foam. Then you reduce the ends of the foam also, just like you see me do. This is because the plastic headband I'm using, the ends are tiny. And you also make sure that your foam is 4 inches shorter than your fabric, just like you see me do here. My foam is 4 inches shorter. Meanwhile, when I put it inside my fabric, I'll have 2 inches on one side and 2 inches open on the other side. Then you take your safety pin and push the foam through the fabric, just like you see me do. And then when you're done with that, all you have to do is make sure that you smoothen the fabric. You smoothen the fabric very, very well, and then you get the middle of the fabric. After you've gotten the middle of the fabric, you place the fabric in the middle of the plastic headband. Make sure it is in the center of the plastic headband, except you want your knot to be at the side. So just position your knot where you want it and then tie a knot. After tying a knot, all you have to do is tweak it around till you get the desired knot you like. Just like you see me do, I'm tweaking it. If it's too tight, I lose it a bit. If it's too loose, just tweak it to your desired effect. And when you're comfortable with what you have, all you have to do is get your gum of choice and attach both ends to the plastic headband, just like you see me do. It is pretty easy, guys. You can decide to wrap up your plastic headband with the same material you're using for the knotted headband, or you can decide to leave it black, just like I am doing. I'm actually leaving it black because this is my own headband. If I'm doing it for a client, I'll probably wrap it up. When you get to the end of your plastic headband, all you have to do is attach both ends together, cut off the excess fabric, and get a ribbon, either a black ribbon or a ribbon of same color of material, and just attach it at the end of your plastic headband, just to make it look neat. And voila, your headband is ready, guys. So you can decide to rock this headband plain like this, or you can decide to accessorize it just like I'm gonna do. You know me now, I love the va-va-voom extra vibe of things. So yeah, so if you're watching and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, now it doesn't cost extra data. It's just the same thing. Just click on that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. You do not want to miss it, guys. On this channel I make videos on different subjects: creative crafts, hair accessories, natural hair, lifestyle, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of it, guys, because it's always amazing. To my old subscribers, you guys know I love you guys. I love you girls. Thank you so much for sticking around. Yes, so just like you see me do, I'm attaching this velvet ribbon at the tip of my plastic headband. So I'm just closing the ends and then attaching it so that everything looks neat. I'm going to repeat the same process to the second part of the plastic headband. And like I said earlier on, you can decide to rock it plain like this. It still looks beautiful, or you can decide to accessorize it just like I'm going to do later on. And then for the accessories, all I'm doing is just, you know, going through my bead stock, you know, all those I had, you know, just trying to see what works best for me. And luckily for me, I found this beautiful flower of the same color of material that I'm using, and I'm going to be attaching it to my headband and, you know, adding some beads all around it, you know, just working it in the accessory department. Like, all you have to do is just, you know, do what works for you, you know, what you feel you like, what you like. There's no rule in how you can bead up your accessory. You just do how you like it. So just like you see me do, I'm still tweaking the knot to fit how I'd like it. So all I'm just doing is attaching beads and pearls all around both sides, all around these 4 flowers. And yeah, that's it, guys. Like, there's no big deal about it. I'm gonna show you guys the final product, and I loved it. Everybody loved it. I wore it to church. It was amazing. It was beautiful. Tell me what you think. What do you think, guys? Does it look beautiful? Would you rock it plain, or would you rock it with the accessories on it? So thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for sticking around with me. I love you. Remember, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you guys, click on that big red subscribe button and join the family, guys. Join the family, guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, look at how I looked on Sunday. It was beautiful, breathtaking. Like, everybody loved it, and I loved it, and I'm very sure you'd like it too. And please ignore my tired, sun-stricken face. So if you make this for yourself, don't forget to hit me up, tag me on Instagram, tag me everywhere. I'd love to see you. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.